Hey guys, Samsung Galaxy F's day has finally arrived. The day that we were waiting for quite some time is here. Samsung is expected to reveal the Samsung's foldable phone Galaxy F today in San Francisco at Samsung's developer conference. So what Samsung revealed today is the actual foldable Galaxy F or prototype of it. So no, they are not gonna reveal the actual foldable Galaxy F or not even a prototype. One of the Samsung's official has told that company will show detailed images of the foldable phone at SDC 2018. So it's not gonna be a real physical foldable phone. They're just gonna show off images and talk about new software that they've made specifically for the foldable Galaxy F in collaboration with Google. And it is also expected that they are finally release their Android Pie beta, and there are also going to be new talks about Bixby as well. But most interesting thing, there will be the Samsung Galaxy F. So the Galaxy F will be the phone or tablet, both of them according to Samsung's CEO himself. There is no doubt about it. But how it's gonna work? Recently, South Korean website The Bell has reported that foldable Galaxy F will have two OLED displays, one on the inside that will be a large 7.29-inch display, while on the outside there will be a secondary display at 4.58 inches. This 7-inch inside display will come with its own protection instead of a Gorilla Glass, and this new foldable display might be called Infinity V display, as Samsung has found their trademark for this term last week. And Samsung CEO further revealed about it that it will have one of the most powerful multitasking capabilities, and it can fold it into 4.6-inch compact pocketable phone that you can carry everywhere, and it will provide a meaningful user experience to the consumers. Now, in case you don't know, Samsung is not the first company to launch a first foldable phone in the world. Chinese company named as Royu Technologies already revealed their foldable phone, which is world's first foldable phone. But if you look at it, it's not as interesting as we all want. When you fold it, it's not become that sizable that you can carry in your pocket, and when you're folding it, it makes a crunchy sound, and the user experience, or I would say software, is very sluggish. So that's not the phone, a foldable phone that we all want. They just made it in a rush to get the title of world's first. But Samsung has worked with Google to make a special Android software based experience for the Galaxy F where things will be optimized. Again, we will see how Samsung has done it. And also, Galaxy F's model number is now being tested across all major mobile networks in the US, and Sam Mobile also confirmed that this device will have 512 gigs of internal storage and will offer dual SIM capability. And they also confirmed silver color option of Samsung Galaxy F. Samsung is expected to release this device at CES 2019 with a Snapdragon 8150 or Exynos 9820 processor, same processors as of the Galaxy S10 family. But right now, Samsung is gonna showcase its pictures as well as its software experience in just a couple of minutes at SDC 2018. So let me know what you think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for the full coverage. And yeah, see you soon.